Good afternoon, my teacher. My name is Jason Foronda. This is an identity document. Travel itinerary. Amazonas, Colombia. Jason Foronda. Information. Amazonas, Colombia. The Colombia Amazon is made up of the Andes mountain range and plains that extend to the east, to the border with Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, and Venezuela. Sharing with these countries the Amazon rainforest, which has now one of the greatest biodiversity in the planet. Introduction on the place. If you travel in summer and in the May in the year, you will have a hot vacation full in the world. In this beautiful place, you will find adventure, fun connection with animals, and a lot of adrenaline. Duration of the trip. This trip will last 3 days. You will find activities to us. Day 1. We will go sailing through the Amazon River, observing dolphins and different marine species. Day 2. Walking through the jungle. We will to the natural reserves. Day 3. If we visit the tribus in the morning, we can see their craft. Main transformation. You must take a flight to Leticia, then a car to the port and a boat to the Amazon jungle. Activities to do. Would you like to navigate the Amazon River? You could see pink dolphins and piranhas in the river. Place to stay. You can stay in the Leticia Hotel or you could stay in the middle of the jungle. Typical foods. You can eat the best fish in the world called pirarucu. Cost. This tourist package will cost $1 million annually if you buy it now. It would be cheaper. Images.